It is a precious gift to all of us living on. Good morning to one and all. Today, December 11, International Mountain Day. English Club of BHS THEVELAKARA proudly present a documentary related to International Mountain Day. That is because we people, especially 9th standard students, were highly inspired by a one-act play, Listen to the Mountains that we have learned. You know, mountains are the beginning and end of all natural scenery energy. More than 1 billion people in the world are the habitats of mountain areas. Mountain people are affected by climate change. So, the main purpose of this day is to create an awareness about the mountain people and to provoke the government to launch urgent policies to elevate the harsh living conditions of mountain people. In this documentary, we are focusing on Awaron Western Ghats and its beauty.
You ask me why I dwell in the green mountain. I smile and make no reply, for my heart is free for care. As the peach blossom flows downstream and is gone into the unknown, I have a world apart that is not among men. This is a poem by the Chinese poet Li Bai titled Green Mountain. It describes the emotions inside the heart of any nature lover towards mountain ranges. Western Ghats, known in many names as Sahyadri, the green gold of India, the mountain of patience, etc., is a mountain range spread across a length of 160,000 kilometers. In this documentary, we are focusing on our own Western Ghats and its beauty. There is an umbilical relationship between Kerala and Western Ghats, situated north-south in the eastern part of Kerala. These row of mountains play a vital role in bringing glory and prosperity to Kerala and forms a part in Kerala's language and culture. These mountains spread their greenery from Gujarat to Kanyakumari. It is the second largest mountain range in India. These mountain ranges are the ones that make Kerala a heaven in land. Its evergreen forest, rainforest, and folk-bearing valleys are its beautiful geographical diversities. South India's largest mountain peak, Anamudi, and the mysterious Silent Valley are only a few among the attractions in Western Ghats. The mountain ranges are distributed in various segments. These ghats bear the headwaters of Kerala's water sources. These ranges that are spread beyond sight open to us the wildness of the Ghats. The dreamy flower beds, the smiling creepers, and the trees that bear them fascinates one's eyes. The plants and trees with honey pouring fruits increases this fascination. The chattering streams oozes out music. What more should these Ghats have to attract tourists from worldwide nation? Kerala, being the first state to adopt tourism as a main income, was truly blessed with these mountain ranges, which made our state paradise for tourists. Munnar, Vagaman, Silent Valley, Tenmala, Neyyar, Adirapalli are the pearls in the crown of the Western Ghats. Tenmala was the first place to be added as the part of ecotourism program, which brought man from the crumbling industrialization to the green lap of nature. These Ghats play an important role in the conservation of our native culture and tradition from the invasion of foreign cultures. The Western Ghats performs its duty gracefully in acting as a barrier in blocking and condensing the hot wind from Tamil Nadu and the monsoon wind from the Arabian Sea, thus providing Kerala its timely showers. The Western Ghats is home to a large variety of animals and birds. It includes lion-tailed macaque and hornbill. The variations in its topography makes Kerala one of the most diverse places climatically and geographically. Thus, on this International Mountain Day, let all put our hands together and take a pledge that we will make our able contributions to conserve this great pearl gifted to us, the Western Ghats.